This video is only intended for viewers 13 years of age and older.
Alright, here's where we're at. I got this all welded in, ground down. I shut you guys off because I didn't want to grind on the lens again. I get yelled at for that.
Don't do that.
Jeez, I don't know why. So then I made the template. Like that there. It's a little short, but I made make the other one a little longer so it fits. Alright, that fits in there like that, quite nicely. So I took that over and cut out a piece of metal, drilled some holes in it, and this is what I come up with. And that goes in here, just like that, right there. I'll weld that all in. I got a little more grinding to do down here, but that's alright. Let me show you what I got so far. Just about in here. And this has a bow in it right here, so I got to try to get that out. So it's flat again. Because it was all rotted out, there was no way to keep it. Every time you picked the top up, you were putting all the weight on the outside skin. Because there was nothing in here to hold it. So we got that repaired. All we got to do now, I'll put some holes in here, rosette weld it, little seam sealer. But before I do any of that, now that I got this all in, I'm going to primer it. I primered the back side before I welded everything in. I'm going to weld through primer. So I'll put some weld through primer in here, through the back side of this. And tomorrow we'll weld it in. Because it's almost 1 o'clock and I go home. Because I'm old and I only work a half a day. So that's where we stand on that. Right then. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Subscribe. And don't forget to make a comment. Comments help a lot. We look at them all and we'll get back to you on them. Thank you very much. Alright, good morning. Back at it again. So today, we're going to put this panel in. Goes in there thusly. So, clamp here. Hold it. And what do we got here? Got it a little too tight. I just got a little shaving here and there. Thought I had it, but I guess I don't. You know what God did, don't you? See what that does. Huh. Got the shits. Good there. Something here. I had this ready, but apparently I don't. So, what we're going to do, get that off, put that right there. I'm going to tack that son of a bitch right there. let's get some air tools out. We're gonna do some grinding. There, take that. Son of a, who cut your hair last? I'm gonna take some off in here. Off in here. I ain't playing with that all day. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done fighting with this thing. Alright. Oh, good commie. Ooh, we're gonna need to get some gas here pretty soon. We have ignition. Oops, with a hat. And a hammer. Can't work without a hammer. Ah, I might be ready now. This is going to be a sit-down job, I can tell. Because I'm lazy today. Well, good morning. Oh yeah, we got her. Beautiful. Time we let her cool down. Alright, we'll make a test fit. See if things are going to go our way or not. There's that. Good. High back here. why I can't stress it enough that a hammer does a world of good. And that looks pretty good. I done something stupid. Again, I forgot to put some holes in the back of this plate so that I can weld it. Not weld it in. However, I did bring this for a reason. There. Worked out quite nicely, I'd say. Alright, we'll get up close and personal here. This is what we got. I'll give you a bird's eye view here. We got that. Got a couple up in there. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Got one up here and down in here I just finished. Then we got all across them. Got that panel. And then we got redid this corner here. Okay, and we got all right to there. All in all, there's 18 different pieces of metal that have gone into doing this. So we're going to get some primer on it. Let that dry. Start on the other side. Now keep in mind, this was the good side. So I can hardly wait to get to the other side. Neither side was very good, but it came in here to get this done, so. But, all right then. I want to thank you for watching. That'll be probably just about all for today.